Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dutchie, and today I'm taking you along with me to get braces. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be actually able to do within the clinic. I don't know, it's a bit of a touchy subject, like I just don't know. So I'll get as much footage as I can. I will show you guys what I look like after I get them on. Hey guys, so day 2 with braces. Actually, I don't think I vlogged yesterday with braces on at all. Got them on and then came home and I was really hungry and we had family over for like a barbecue, so yeah. And by that time it was dark and just crappy, so I didn't bother filming. It looks so ugly, but worth it, worth it. I've just driven back to Geelong. Like, I've literally only just got into Geelong 2 seconds ago. I've had no pain yet, like touch wood. They're like, oh, feel like some discomfort when you go to bed, so take some Nurofen. I didn't feel any discomfort, but I took some Nurofen just in case. Like, I didn't want to wake up in pain. It's like pressure, but like there's no pain sort of. I had like a little bit of pain in one tooth, but it only lasted for like 5 minutes. I'll keep updating you guys throughout the day. I'll just make this into like a little vlog sort of thing. Hello, baby. What are you doing? Hello. What you do? Hey. Hello. How are you? Oh, dear. What's this? Tired. You tired?
Oh, this bad. Yeah.
Wasn't really.
I can't see what he's doing.
It's just nipping.
Playing. Hello. So I've just basically just been studying and playing with our housemate's new pup. I'll just pick him up so I can give him a cuddle and show you guys. Sleepy little boy. You attacking me? What are you doing? What are you doing? So his name is Goose and he's a Border Collie Cross Kelpie. And he's adorable, we've all fallen in love with him. Tash likes him, which is great, because like being a bigger dog, you sort of, she's never really been around like other pups and you never really know how they're gonna react. So cute. What are you doing, Goosey? Hello. What are you doing? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. So I don't think we're doing much else tonight as a house. We'll just be hanging around with this pup and getting dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this braces / puppy vlog. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you loved the puppy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, hope you all have a good weekend and I'll see you Monday.